Hi, this is me, Bonnie Hawkins, and here I am playing the role of old Miss Floppy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it's bird watching time again here on the Bonnie B. Hawkins Drama Time Theater TV. Sometimes, you know, but she's a 108-year-old, and she's a big kid. I'm gonna put my I want to put my bottle of water right here. Okay, I got my. Y'all see, I got my bottle of water right here, right there, right there, right there. I got my bottle of water. Look, can y'all see? I got my bottle of water. Yeah. Okay, all right then. I'm gonna read a scripture to you guys, and then we're gonna watch the boys. Okay? Cause it's fitting for what's outside. Cause I seen a little sparrow. Okay, and y'all know in the Bible it talks about little sparrows. You know. It says that cause God cares for even the little sparrows. He knows when a sparrow birdie fall to the ground. It's over here in the book of Matthew. That's my little Bible. That's a little teeny Bible, but I can see. Can I see? Can y'all see? I can see. Okay, I gotta put my Bible down. Okay, all right. Y'all go watch the birdies with us. Look right up there. Look right there. Look at the birds. Shh. There's the birds right there. Hey, right there. The birds are right there. Y'all, shh. The birds. Look at that pretty little red bird. Look at that pretty little bird. Look at him. Hi, bird. is right there. The birdie is right there. He eating some food. The birdie is eating some food. Y'all gotta be quiet so the bird can eat her food. Okay. I gotta be quiet too. Everybody gotta be quiet. I'll be quiet. You be quiet. We all be quiet. So we can watch the birds. Like you guys a whole lot. And I hope y'all like me. I hope y'all, at the end of this video, I hope you guys give me a like. Because I like to be liked. Oh, Miss Floppy, she likes to be liked. Hi, birdies. I like you guys. But you guys gonna tell me what kind of birds are those birds? Okay. Alright. Okay. Hi. The people in social media world is gonna tell me what kind of birds y'all are. Cause some of y'all I don't know all y'all birds. Okay. And they gonna tell me at the bottom of this video what kind of bird you guys are. Okay, y'all gonna do that, right? I told the birds y'all gonna tell Miss Floppy what kind of birds they are. So I know what kind of bird feed I'm supposed to get them. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very, very much. Also tell me what kind of bird feed that I should be feeding them, because some of them are coming to the cage and looking at it and tasting it and spitting it back out. They spitting it back out on the ground. You know, some of them are very rude. Some of them are spitting it back out on the ground. You know, that's because they don't like them, right? That means they don't like that kind of food. So I gotta get the right kind of food. So y'all tell me, look at the boys. The boys to tell me what kind of food I'm supposed to get them. Okay, alrighty. Okay, I gotta sit here quietly. Yes, some more birdies. So quiet, because we're still going to be quiet. We're going to let the birds talk, and we're going to be quiet. How about that for a change? How about that? Can we be quiet, and we can let the birds talk? Because they talk, they make their little talks too, you know. Y'all got to listen. If you listen carefully, you can hear them. They're all the way around here. All around the front. All around the trees back there. There's all kinds of birdies. I just gotta learn what kind of bird they are so I know what I gotta feed them. Okay, y'all gonna let me know. That's right. That's why y'all say y'all gonna let me know. Y'all gonna let Miss Floppy know. Oh, Miss Floppy's so kind of happy. The birdies are out there. The birdies are right there. They're right there. There's some more. They're right there. Bird watching, okay? And watching the birdies eat the food. Miss Floppy just fed the birds and now see as bird watching. What are those names? It's gonna have some kind of name to it. Y'all just look for me out there with the birdies, okay? Right over there. I gotta get up there. Okay. All right. I hope to see you guys next time. Okay, they told me I gotta say something. All right, so I'm gonna say something. Okay, I gotta say something right first. Okay. Don't you guys know that you have been watching a theater play? That's right, you've been watching a theater play. And the theater play is called Bonnie B. Hawkins Drama Time Theater TV. the other. But forward slash, if forward is going this way, it's this way. If forward, I think forward is going this way. So it's Bonnie B. Hawkins. All right, you guys, be good now. Boy, I hope this camera didn't cut off, because the camera's out there in the sun, and I'm sitting in the shade. So if this camera cut off, then y'all just have to wait another time, and we make some more videos for y'all. Okay, it's a lot more videos, y'all. You gotta do is look below this video. There's when you go to the Bonnie B. Hawkins channel, there's a whole bunch of videos in there. Whole bunch of them down there. In the other part of the rest of the videos. Then there's gonna be some more videos up there where she put more videos up for you guys. All right, you guys be good, okay? And don't forget to watch. Miss Floppy in the next episode. Bye, y'all. I gotta get up. I forgot to ask y'all want some water. Y'all want some water? Because y'all been watching me for a long time, and I forgot to ask y'all want some water. Y'all want some water? Well, that's too bad. This my water. This mine. Y'all can't have mine. Y'all go in your refrigerator and get y'all some. I know y'all got some. Okay, all right, because I'm nice. I'd be glad to share my water with you, but I only got one bottle. And you don't want the same bottle. It's mine. And you can't have it. I just said, if y'all want that water, y'all need to have this water. I just played. I see you guys later, okay? I gotta get up and see when I see you. Okay, I just hope the video didn't cut off. If it did, then we're gonna make some more next time. Okay, see you guys later. Big Flopppy. Bye, y'all.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes this portion of the theater play here on the Bonnie B. Hawkins Drama Time Theater TV. Truly hope that you enjoy and that you will come back and visit us again right here on the Bonnie B. Hawkins Drama Time Theater TV.